Ever wonder what real bulldozer genius looks like? On Discover Tech, we're showcasing operators with skills so crazy you'd swear it's movie magic. This is the real deal. It may look cinematic, but this is real engineering. A 22-ton Liebherr L566 is transported mid-air via a cable system, traveling at 11 miles per hour across inaccessible terrain. When the landscape presents obstacles, engineering ingenuity delivers solutions that defy convention. The Rotar RSS-40 delivers exceptional precision in scrap handling. With rapid rotation speed, short cycle times, and ultra-sharp blades, it slices through steel effortlessly, producing consistently clean, fast, and efficient cuts. A true high-performance tool for heavy-duty applications. The new Cat D6 bulldozer demonstrates its sheer pushing power as it easily relocates a mobile home in a single, fluid motion. With minimal effort, the structure is displaced, an impressive display of machine capability and control. This takes us to the core principle, the synergy between operator and machine. The Caterpillar's power is unquestionable, yet moving a boulder of this size demands more than raw horsepower. What you see here is a masterclass in leverage and traction control, executed with precision and expertise. Here we see a compelling comparison in approach to the same challenge. The bulldozer relied on raw forward thrust, while the excavator applied precise hydraulic leverage to lift and reposition. It's a clear demonstration of how tool choice defines operational strategy and outcome. Courage often comes quietly, in the steady hands that guide machinery through challenging conditions. Here, a dozer is deeply mired in saturated jungle soil, yet the crew methodically employs winches, precise blade adjustments, and coordinated effort to free it, a disciplined display of skill and resilience in logging operations. concealed structure meets its end as a non-Leaher R960, equipped with demolition shears, methodically dismantles the concrete silo. Each fracture and collapse signifies the conclusion of decades of operation, a controlled process blending precision with purpose. This is more than standard heavy equipment operation. It's an active role in combating plastic pollution. The Caterpillar 836H is not merely moving waste, it's contributing to environmental restoration. Credit is due to the dedicated crews driving this essential cleanup effort. Enter the era of intelligent grading. The Komatsu D155AX utilizes GPS G-guided technology to sculpt terrain with sub-inch accuracy within 1/10 of a foot. No external masts or cables required, ensuring a streamlined and safer job site. In challenging winter conditions, the Cat D7R Bulldozer demonstrates its capabilities, crossing a frozen river while breaking through dense ice layers. Each forward movement showcases its traction, torque, and cold weather performance, proving its suitability for extreme environments. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting and 0 if you thought it was boring. The Cat D11R, weighing 100 tons, applies unmatched pushing power to relocate a multi-ton boulder with ease. Neither slope, size, nor resistance impacts its performance. A testament to engineering focused on dominance and uninterrupted operation. The startup sound of a 1953 Caterpillar D8 carries a unique resonance. Beyond its mechanical function, this engine embodies the enduring craftsmanship and character of a golden era in heavy equipment manufacturing. It may appear routine, but this step is essential in construction. The excavator removes quality soil for use in other areas, while shaping a raised and compacted base. Without this foundation layer, structural stability would be compromised. This is the groundwork that ensures long-term integrity. Observing machines shape the terrain so flawlessly prompts a key question. How do operators maintain such consistent precision and smoothness across expansive work areas? Combining precision with power, the Arini-operated Caterpillar 321C, equipped with an NPK sorting grab, maneuvers through challenging terrain with exceptional control. Each stone is placed with exact accuracy, ensuring an efficient and orderly workflow without unnecessary movement. The Hitachi excavator, equipped with a demolition grapple, demonstrates controlled deconstruction, removing walls while simultaneously sorting debris. This method maintains clear work visibility and operational efficiency. Viewer feedback is welcome. 1 for interest, 0 otherwise. The work continues regardless. This is a clear display of bulldozer capability. The Caterpillar D8H effortlessly breaks through solid rock with both power and precision. Preparing vineyard land has rarely been executed with such intensity. Full credit to the operator for skillful control. For those who once imagined operating their own excavator, the Komatsu PC-01 makes it possible. Weighing only a few hundred kilograms, this compact machine delivers professional-grade precision, ideal for tasks such as garden trenching and small-scale landscaping projects. The Komatsu D85 demonstrates exceptional control while navigating a hand-laid log bridge. In such conditions, a single misstep could cause severe consequences, requiring maximum operator concentration and precise machine balance to ensure safe passage. The John Deere tractor is showing considerable vibration, likely caused by the trailer's heavy load. Installing a top hydraulic link could help stabilize the setup, making it a practical adjustment for handling substantial hauls. I've experienced that scenario firsthand, and there's nothing more reassuring than seeing the bulldozer arrive on site. Every operator has a first-day story just like this one. It builds character. Forget balloons and confetti. When your baby reveal meets 850 horsepower, the Caterpillar D11R roars, "It's a girl!" Louder and prouder than any party could dream of. The Dutra D4KB's engine produces a deep, resonant tone that reflects its formidable pulling power. More than just removing trees, it delivers classic high-torque performance, a sound rarely matched in modern machinery.
Давай, родной. Никак.
The Corvette K744 demonstrates a design advantage over its predecessor, the K71. Its taller, sharper blade delivers a cleaner cut, enabling the operator to open a narrow initial path before methodically widening the clearance, an effective approach for heavy snow accumulation.
Давай, давай, погреб. Все, прошел. Красавец. Вот это пора.
Julio Melania demonstrates exceptional skill operating a New Holland backhoe, maneuvering onto a truck despite the rear wheels being lifted off the ground. This feat relies not solely on engine power, but on precise balance, instinct, and extensive hands-on experience.